Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix the battery percentage not showing. At first we need to go to the settings. Here scroll down till you see battery and device care. Open battery and scroll down to the more battery settings. Make sure that show battery percentage is enabled. If you don't have it enabled, it will look like this. However, if you have it enabled and it looks like this, like this, or you see just blank information here, we need to go even deeper in this issue. We need to open the Play Store. But before that, you can try toggling this option on and off till this battery percentage appears. So, at first open the Play Store. Here search, and now you need to type battery widget. Here we've got Widget Reborn by Hubalek. It has 5 million downloads, and actually I think that I can say that I trust this application. It's because I have been using this application for a long time on my videos. Let's hit install, and now let's open this application. Here the only thing we need to do is to start automatically, add widget, battery widget, add. Now if you see that your battery widget shows some information, not blank information, it means that your software is kind of bugged and you need to restart your phone and contact device support that your system doesn't want to show the battery information if it doesn't work still after the restart. However, if you see that here you have got blank information, blank, and here blank information too, I have no idea how did it happen because when the battery sensor is broken, it usually means that your phone won't turn on. So yeah, but of course if you see blank information both here and here, you need to contact device support saying that your battery sensor is broken, probably, but they need to diagnose it of course deeper. Bye.